फोंडे उपजिल्लो हॉस्पिटलांत ड्रॉप बॅक सर्व्हिस शुक्रारच्यान परत सुरू केल्या। बाळंतर जाल्ल्या बायलांक घरा पावोवपाक ही सेवा सुरू केल्या। कांय लोकांक गांवांनी वचपाक बसीची सोय आसना, अशा वेळार ह्या ड्रॉप बॅक सर्व्हिस वाहनांचो उपयोग जातलो। ह्या हेतान AMRI अंतर्गत ही सेवा सुरू केल्या, अशें दोतोर जयश्री मडकयकार हिणें वाहनाच्या उक्तावणा वेळार सांगलें।
Government of Goa has provided us with drop back facility vehicle, and it is being run by EMRI Green Health Services. This drop back is for patients who have delivered and also for infants up to age of 1 year. It is seen that many of our patients are from rural area who don't have transport to reach to their homes. So after delivery with the child and with the luggage, it's very difficult. So this is a good initiative that we are providing these services under JSSK.
Okay, hi everyone, I'm Srinivas, and today we have launched our third drop back vehicle, and next week we are going to launch in Goa Medical College also, and these drop back ambulances comes under Janani Shishu Suraksha Karyakram and under National Health Mission. And we are very thankful to our Honorable Health Minister, Sri Vishwajit Rane sir, and the Government of Goa, Director of Health Services for providing such a wonderful service.
आम्ही आज फोंडा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल हांगा आसा, जे जाग्यार आज EMRI म्हळ्यार 108 कंपनीची सर्वीस आसा 108ची। ते सर्विसीन आज हांगा जी जल्मा येता भुरगीं तांकां पावोवपाची ड्रॉप बॅक सर्वीस एम्बुलन्स तेंच्यांनी आयच्यान चालू केल्या। गोमंतक TV खातीर फोंडेच्यान एकनाथ खेडेकर।